Good evening, guys. Today is 29th June 2020, Monday. I am trying to analyze the market for tomorrow, that is 30th June 2020. In Nifty, a bit different scenario has occurred. The stop loss was triggered by this candle, one which is the first black candle among the two candles which are highlighted in the first black candle, because my stop loss was the low of this candle, that is 10181, and this candle, this black candle closed at 10170, which was below 10181, so my stop loss got triggered. I re-entered the market at this candle. This is the white candle within this highlighted zone. See this white candle at 10190. Why? Because here the phenomenon that was formed is called spring. This was named by the famous Richard Wyckoff, the descendant of Charles Dow. Mr. Wyckoff made a huge fortune trading in US market. You can go to Wikipedia and read about him. Lots of articles are there about Mr. Richard Wyckoff. However, let's come to the point. What is spring? Whenever a support, here was a support 10181. Whenever a support is breached, that is, stop losses are triggered by a candle, here the black candle, and the very next candle, that is this white candle within this highlighted zone, pierces through the broken support zone and closes above it, immediately a phenomenon is formed which is called spring. And when such things occur, you can initiate the trade again. At this time, you should keep your stop loss below the low of these two candles, lowest low of these two candles, as hard stop, not on the closing basis. Just if it gets triggered, you will be out. This is the theory of Richard Wyckoff. And in this case of spring, the minimum target upside will be the recent high. That is the high of this candle, that is 10334.70. You can see it. I am keeping the cursor over here. The high 10334.70, or this high max to max 10362.80. That is this zone. This zone comprises of two prices. You can note it down: 10362.80 to 10334.70. And your stop loss, and my stop loss as of now is a low of this white candle, which is 10156.30. One tick below it, my stop loss will get triggered. This is the scenario of Nifty. But in Bank Nifty, no such scenario occurred. It's quite healthy and it is going to move to this zone. This zone means this highlighted zone, that is 21717.7 and 21680.8, between these two zones. I am repeating the level, please note it down: 21717.70 to 21680 680.80. Here now you can put the stop loss below this black candle. This black candle's low is 20886.3 as your hard stop. The low, I am repeating again, 20886.30 as your hard stop, not on the closing basis, your hard stop. One tick below this 20886.30, your stop loss will get triggered. What will be your target now? Your target will be 2160.80 to 21717.70, as I discussed earlier. One thing more, guys, that is whenever this type of sideways movement occur, that is, see here 15 candles have occurred in the sideways movement. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. In any instrument, if more 15 or more than 15 candles occur in sideways, that instrument forgets its original direction. That is, at least in hourly chart, a possibility has arisen that it can go here, go to this zone, see, as highlighted by this arrow. It can then break up, upside, or it can break downside, as this arrow is highlighting. It can come down and break this zone for a deeper retracement. But in daily chart, nothing such has occurred. The daily chart is bullish. Hence, I would assume that the market is still bullish. Though it has in the hourly chart it has forgotten its direction, but the daily chart will help it break up in this direction. Okay. Similar in Bank Nifty, see, more than 15 candles have formed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, just 15 candles. If it goes here, then it will become more than 15 candles. Then two scenarios can occur. It can break above this zone, or break or come down this zone, that is 21717.70 to 21680.8, this zone which has been highlighted here. Then it can form like this, as I told there. It can go like this arrow, and then break above it, or it can continue the zigzag motion this way, this way again, or it can break down for a while, momentarily, for a deeper retracement. That does not mean the trend has changed. No. Again, I am telling you that from the daily charts, as it is a bullish formation, I assume that the market will be able to break above this highlighted zone, above the highs of these two candles, this white candle and this black candle, and be able to cross over the previous resistances. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon I am repeating again, please press the bell icons so that you can get further notifications. And if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends, as many as possible. Thank you, good night and goodbye to all. Wishing you a happy trading tomorrow.